Flex your skin with this vegan serum infused foundation that promises to cover imperfections, hydrate, and promote better bare skin. Welcome to the Hydroflex Serum Foundation review. Hi, my name is Muniza and I make beauty related videos just like this one, so stick around if you're having fun, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to be a part of my SAS fam. This foundation, which is also known as the yoga pants of foundation, comes in these 32 shades, and I got the shade 20N, which is a light neutral shade, and since this is a serum foundation, it has a runny consistency. Now, as I mentioned in my first impressions video, this foundation did blur my pores, so I'm not applying any primer on this side. Also, you can apply the foundation as you would apply a moisturizer, or you could apply it with a beauty blender or a foundation brush. I'm going to go in with my foundation brush first and then go in with a beauty blender, and the reason I do it this way is because a little bit of the product goes a long way when I apply it with a foundation brush, and I feel like it gives better coverage versus if I were to use my fingers or a beauty blender. And then after applying the foundation with the brush, I let it sit on my skin for a few seconds while I get my beauty blender, and then blend the excess foundation till the cows come home, or however that saying goes, and this helps the foundation sit more smoothly on my skin. This is what one layer of the foundation looks like, and nothing on this side. Even though it has a blurring effect, I still want to see for fun what happens if I apply a primer before applying the foundation. And this is what it looks like with and without the primer. Now, Tarte says that it is a medium coverage foundation, but I'd say it's more light to sheer coverage. Other than that, it has a natural dewy finish, and my pores are blurred out on both sides. So if you don't have a primer, or you don't like using a primer but you still want your pores blurred out, then this serum foundation just might be the one for you. I'm also waiting for the hydration to kick in because I can notice it clinging around the dry areas of my nose. To build coverage, they say to use 4 to 6 drops. Now, I don't know if this is in addition to the 2 to 4 drops that they initially said to apply. So I'm going to apply 3 more drops, so that's 7 drops in total. And this is what the foundation looks like. Definitely medium coverage now. Having said that, I am noticing it creasing under my eyes, so let me go set my face and finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll check back in after a couple of hours. It's been a couple of hours since I applied the foundation, and I love how it's giving me a nice healthy glow, and from afar it makes my skin look airbrushed, and then looking up close, the hydration has kicked in and there are no dry patches around my nose, and I'm also not noticing any caking or creasing anywhere, even under my eyes. Now, Tarte claims that it is a 16-hour long wearing foundation, but I'm ready for my beauty sleep. I mean, I've been ready since I woke up, but now I'm like really ready, and after 12 hours this foundation still feels lightweight and hydrating. And then looking up close, my eyeliner has smudged under both my eyes, but I still don't notice any caking or creasing. My fan thoughts on the Tarte Hydroflex Serum Foundation, aka the Yoga Pants of Foundation, is that for 51 Canadian dollars plus tax, I'd say it's worth it because its water-based formula lets your natural beauty shine through by giving it a natural dewy finish. It is also hydrating and feels light as air even after 12 hours. The foundation also blurred my pores and fine lines with just 4 drops, but if you prefer more coverage like me, it is easily buildable to medium coverage. Just make sure that you set it, otherwise it will crease. But once you set it, it won't cake or crease even after 12 hours. And if that's not enough, this foundation is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, gluten-free, and it is considered clean at Sephora. However, it did unfortunately transfer onto my mask, but it didn't leave my makeup looking patchy. And now let's see if it is waterproof. So I'm just going to quickly blot my face before applying the water, and with a clean cotton round, I'm just going to dab the area dry. And as you can see, quite a bit of the foundation transferred onto the cotton round. So unfortunately, I can't say that this foundation is waterproof. And so for all these reasons, I'm giving the Tarte Hydroflex Serum Foundation 4 out of 5 stars. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, and if you want to check out other skin tints, you can click right here to check out my review on the E-Stop Blurring Skin Tint by Fenty Beauty, or here to check out the Makeup Forever Watertone Skin Perfecting Fresh Tint Foundation, and I'll see you there. Also, don't forget to subscribe to be a part of the SAS fam.